Hi, welcome back, and you're very welcome if you're new. I'm going to plan today for December, and this is my B5 Minimalist Planner, and December's theme is winter cabin, so something nice and cozy. Can't believe we're on the last month of the year. So I'll just quickly show you what I'm going to be using today, what's left essentially, and I'll get to use some sheets up, which will be very satisfying. But if you want to see the full haul, I'll link that below in the description. And then once I've shown you everything we're going to be using, we'll get straight into it and set up my overview for the month.
That I can't seem to find. When I go to reach it, just leaves my mind. Waking with a note. How could a poem hold the way I see your soul? All the color, all the feeling, all the to a cold and step outside. A dark and quiet road appears out of the smoke. It leads me to a valley, cedar trees and pines. I walk for miles and miles. All the color, all the feeling, all the becoming clear. I walk along, pull my hat over my ears, scale the old limestone. A spring beneath the leaves, in a forest free to grow, with the orange morning glow, and then it starts to snow. In the color, in the feeling, it's the water. space it lies between the water and the great blue heron wing.
Now, time to put in the plans. So Monday is Cyber Monday and I use my little event sticker. I've said this a couple of times, but I love the fact that they match the colours. It just, I don't know, I just really love that. I think it's really visually appealing. That's the words I'm looking for. Anyway, Tuesday I have a little microblading maintenance appointment at 5. For my 40th birthday, I got my eyebrows microbladed, and it wouldn't have been something that I would normally think of doing. I don't even wear eyeliner or what's the word? You know, the pencil on your eyebrows when I wear makeup. But I've seen a couple of people that had had it done and kind of just thought, you know what, I'm going to treat myself. But anyway, it's been 2 years, believe it or not, and I know I have to get some maintenance done. And then normally each week when I'm sitting down to pre-plan, I book my Tesco delivery for the week ahead, but I decided to go ahead and book them all out for the month of December because of Christmas and New Year's. I didn't want to end up not getting a slot, and I'm absolutely not going down and picking the stuff myself, just no. Anyway, so I booked them all out and they're all on Saturdays, so I went ahead and put them all in. And then the 19th is payday, so I used a little money icon to put that in. And then on the Saturday, I'm getting my hair done. It's my Christmas hair appointment. So I put a little yay icon from the kit and a little dot and wrote my hair appointment is. Look at me being organised. I actually remembered to take a note of the time. Then after that, I'm putting in that it's officially winter. Crazy. Feels like it already. The weather's been miserable. And then I'm putting in a Tesco delivery for that particular week because on Saturday I'm getting my hair done and I didn't want to risk not being home on time. It wouldn't be to 3 o'clock, but honestly with my hair you never know. So yeah, I booked it on the Sunday instead. And then the only other thing to put in is the events of Christmas Eve, Boxing Day and New Year's Eve. And then any other of these little leftovers, like extra bank holidays and stuff, I'm putting in my little sticker book to keep. And then I'm going to do my December currentlies, but I don't know what I did. I need to go back and watch my setup, but I was so confused here. Because really after this last week, it should be the spread for December currentlies, but I don't have it. So I don't know what I did. So I just decided on one page to do the currentlies as in what I'm watching. December is usually the month that I watch the most films / read or whatever, and it's usually quite full. So I decided to do it, and then on a blank page before I get to the currently totals, because I'm going to be adding up the full year, I decided to do my figures because I wanted the December to come before the year end. It worked out okay and I fixed it, but I'm so confused as to how I managed that.
Coffee in a paper cup, the engine starts right up. Clip myself into the middle seat. Daddy liked talk radio. On gravel he would drive real slow. He told me let's go see what we could see. We pulled into the empty lot before the pavement got too hot. Underneath her leafy crown, the only shade for miles and miles around. wishes, Lord.